Proper waste disposal is more than just a routine. It's a vital practice that impacts our health, environment, and our communities. Every day we generate waste, from the coffee cup you finish in the morning to the packaging of your evening meal. It all adds up. It's as if almost everything that we consume will become waste. But have you ever stopped to think about where it all goes?
Yung general waste natin, may tagahakot tayo kasi dadump natin dyan sa Imelda, tapos dadalhin ng pinaka-tagahakot, dadalhin siya sa Montalban, sa dumping station talaga. Tapos yung mga recyclable, may pinagdadalan po si na Mayora sa project nila, tapos ginagawa po siyang mga bench, mga upuan po na nilalagay po ni na Mayora na project nila sa park, mga park po natin.
Pagdating dito sa barangay, pagkahakot namin sa isang lugar, sa isang sitio, isang subdivision, dadalhin namin sa material recovery facility ng barangay at doon namin kukunin yung may mga pakinabang tulad ng mga lata, plastic, bakal. Pag itatapon na lang namin, less na yung tinatapon namin sa landfill.
Improper disposal of waste leads to environmental pollution and health hazards. Overflowing landfills can leak harmful substances such as toxins into the soil and water, while later can damage ecosystems and harm wildlife. By practicing proper waste disposal, we ensure that our waste is managed in a way that minimizes harm. Recycling helps conserve valuable resources and reduces the need for new materials.
Okay, para sa kaalaman, ang Barangay Marikina Heights ay mayroong 4 na araw ng pagkuha o pag-pick up ng mga waste dito sa barangay. Unang-una, ang Monday ay pinipick up yung mga biodegradable o nabubulok na items. Pagdating naman po ng ating Wednesday, ang pinipick up naman ay ang hindi nabubulok o non-biodegradable items. And then, pagdating ng Thursday, pinipick up ulit is biodegradable. So, ibig sabihin, walang naiiwan na mga nabubulok o hindi nabubulok. And then, pagdating ng Friday, ang pinipick up naman dito yung mga iba pang mga kalakal na po pwede pang magamit ng ating mga kabarangay o kababayan.
May schedule kami, every Monday kami, puro recyclable lang ang kinukuha namin. Lahat po ng subdivision na nasasakupan namin. Tapos by Tuesday, general waste kami, yung lahat halo-halo. Tapos pagtapos ng general waste, biodegradable naman kami. Tapos ganun lang, cycle lang kami. Recycle, general waste, bio.
Normally, ang schedule namin is twice a week. Twice a week sa isang sitio, sa isang subdivision. Kinukuha namin yan. Halimbawa, Monday, kumuha kami ng biodegradable. Tapos pagdating ng Thursday, non-bio. So yung nabubulok, tsaka hindi nabubulok, magkaiba po ang araw ng pagkuha na. Basta 2 beses sa loob ng isang linggo.
Education is necessary and crucial to increase awareness among students to be able to spread awareness at home and other places. Proper waste disposal also keeps our communities clean and safe. Improper waste disposal can lead to pollution and spread diseases. Keeping our waste in check helps reduce risks. Let's start by getting involved at home. Sort your waste by separating recyclables from compostable materials. Reduce and reuse by choosing reusable materials than single-use plastics. And lastly, dispose responsibly by following local guidelines for disposing hazardous and unusual waste. Proper waste disposal is a small action with a big impact. When we all do our part, we help create a cleaner, healthier environment for ourselves and future generations. So let's make a difference together.